Okay folks, we're going to unbox the Horizon Sport Cub, as you can see right here. And there it is. This is the ready to fly version. And it comes with even the batteries. There's the battery and the charger. We'll remove this tape, it's very well packed. Here's the controller. Everything's taped in pretty nicely. That's where we'll bring out our handy dandy pocket knife. Remove that. Very well protected. There we have it. And we can see what's holding in. Oh, cable ties. Cable ties. We've got something for that. Right. And there's the controller. Not real fancy. Panic mode, beginner, intermediate, expert. Keep that down for now. So there you have it. I'm going to lift out the plane. And there's the Sport Cub. November 141 Lima Hotel. Doesn't weigh much. Of course, the battery's not in it, but very, very light aircraft. So there is the Sport Cub ready to fly with safe from Horizon Hobbytown. Yeah, Hobbytown. No, Hobby Zone. We'll figure out what we bought it.